Hello everyone, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. Today I did this makeup look. I was kind of going for a gold and black type of look as one of my subscribers requested. So I hope this look that I'm wearing right now is something that you were looking forward to. I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes so you guys can see. So it's kind of like I had some gold, like shimmer gold, then I actually had like gold glitter, and then I added like a little yellow at the top, and some black, so it might kind of look like gold, lightly green black. So I did like a gold and black look today, a cut crease gold and black look, as you guys can see. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and we're gonna go ahead and watch it. So stay right there and continue to watch. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to be going in with my P. Louise in the shade Rumor 2. I'm going to apply that all on my eyelid. Make sure that it's spread out. I'm using the MORPHE flat brush, I believe that's what it says. I'm not sure what specific it is, but I know it's a flat concealer brush. Then I'm going to be going in with this blending brush right here to blend out that P. Louise base. Then I'm going to go in with another blending brush and use this light brown eyeshadow out this eyeshadow palette I have that I'll list in the description. And I'm just blending that at the top of my crease area. Not in my crease, at the top of my crease. I picked a shade that was kind of close to my skin tone. Then I'm going to go into Take Me Back to Brazil, and I'm going to go in with that black. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush and focus that in my crease area. So I'm just applying that black eyeshadow in my crease area. And remember, the more you add, the darker it gets. So just keep adding to get a darker look. You want to blend back and forth, back and forth. So now I'm going in with that P. Louise in Rumor 2, using that as a base to cut crease my eyes. Using a tiny blending brush, I got the black on there just to smooth out any harsh lines. Now I'm going in and using this shimmer gold color that's also in the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to like put that shade literally all on my eye. Most of all on my eye. I'm just blending to make sure everything is blended very well. Making sure everything is filled in. Now I'm going to be taking that small blender brush that I use for my crease area and go in on the outer corner to smoke it out. And I'm using black eyeshadow. So we went for a gold and black look, cut crease. You guys, I used a liquid gold crease, or not a liquid gold crease, a liquid liner, glitter liquid liner to put on my crease line. And I also put the liquid gold liner on my lash line. Now I'm going in where you see me with the P. Louise base again, and I'm putting that on my waterline to make any eyeshadow that I put on at the bottom to make it more pigmented. So basically, you guys from here on out, it's going to see me right now. I'm putting on that liquid glitter liner. Then I'm going to be going in, smoothing it out. I'm also going to use the same eyeshadow that I used on the top of my eyes to apply on the bottom of my eyes. So basically, I'm just doing that when you see me use that blending brush. Now I'm going in with the eyeliner, black eyeliner, to put directly on my waterline, and I'm blending that out with this brush, as you can see. Now I'm going to go in with my mascara and put that on my lower lash. guys. Just doing more blending. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going in with some Vaseline because my lips are chapped. Yeah, I need Vaseline. I'm going in with Revlon Foundation, and I'm going to put that on my face. Making sure it looks really good. Blended very well. So I'm going to make sure it's blended everywhere on my face as much as possible. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be warned or upcoming to be notified for upcoming videos. Now I'm going in with my Tarte concealer in Tan Sand Deep, I believe. And I'm going to use that as a highlight. Then I'm going to go in with my Fawn concealer just to make it not as bright. So I'm going to use that NYX setting spray to spray my foundation brush from Real Technique Face Expert Brush. And I will list the descriptions of the products in the description area. So I'm going to make sure that's blending. Remember, you guys can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at SBEaesthetics. There you will find short mini video clips of me doing makeup or hair, even pictures of myself. So make sure that's all blended out, you guys. You want to make sure that concealer is blended and evenly into your skin. Looking good. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hill foundation stick in the color Earth. And I use this to contour my face. Then I'm making sure I softly blend that out. Make sure that's blended out very nice. And yeah, make sure it looks good. Now I'm going to take this little smaller, tight, firm blending brush, and I'm going to use that to blend out the contour I did on my nose. It's also good to use your finger because it's just more better. Now I'm going to be going in with this translucent powder. It's called Lock It, I believe. Yeah, Lock It. And this is just going to help set my makeup on my face. I'm just going to make sure I blend all that everywhere. I do not know the name of this powder brush I'm using, but I love it. It's just a big powder brush, so I don't know. I can't remember where I got that from. Maybe Amazon a long time ago. So, yep, that's what the translucent powder looked like. Now I'm going to be going in with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut, I believe. Then I'm going to be going in with my lipstick MAC in, I believe, Teddy Velvet. Then I'm just making sure everything is nicely blended and look good and complement one another. Using my fingers to blend out the harsh lines. Now I'm going to be going and adding a little concealer to brighten up my lip a little. Then I'm going to spray my face with the NYX setting spray so my makeup can last all day. And this is the look.